Well, I started at Lincoln Tech, wanting to be an automotive technician, and Crown came in and did their little spiel, I guess you could say, and explained what Crown could do for me in my future, and I kind of liked it, so I started talking to them and just got on board and worked with them every month in every class I had, and just moved on from there, and they hired me at the end of when I graduated and been with them ever since. I really like Lincoln Tech. Lincoln Tech, if it wasn't for Lincoln Tech, I wouldn't be in the shoes I am today. All the instructors were great for me. I never had any issues. You know, they helped me out with my resume. They helped me out with, they do job fairs once or twice a year. So that's another reason I hooked up with Crown, because Crown was here. So yeah, Lincoln Tech helped me out a lot to get to the field where I'm at today. My current job right now is I'm a shop manager for Crown lift trucks. But I just got this promotion back in October. Before that, I was a field service tech. So I went around and worked on forklifts all across the area. I came up here. I even worked on a truck here at Lincoln Tech. I am no longer hands-on anymore. I normally go to work in a tie every day. I have 9 employees under me. So I no longer work with my hands. My goal when I came to Lincoln was to work with my hands for a while, but Crown has a lot of opportunities to move up, and I took an opportunity when provided, and it's worked out very well for me. Lincoln helped me out with going into that field. Of course, a lot of the hands-on stuff I learned, and all the different vehicles I worked on. I had no experience working on forklifts. I had no experience working on cars or trucks prior to going to Lincoln Tech. I worked the last 5 years before Lincoln Tech at a prison. So coming here, I got the basic skills and the knowledge I needed to move forward in the mechanical industry.